Welcome to this lesson on isomers. Isomers are fascinating molecules that share the same molecular formula but differ in their structure. This concept is fundamental to understanding why substances with identical chemical compositions can behave completely differently. Throughout this video, we'll explore what makes isomers unique and why they matter in chemistry. So what exactly are isomers? Isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural arrangements of atoms. This means they contain the exact same number and types of atoms, but these atoms are connected or arranged in different ways. This difference in arrangement leads to molecules with distinct properties, even though they have identical chemical formulas. Let's look at a simple example to make this concept clearer. Consider the molecular formula C4H10. This formula represents a molecule with 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. Interestingly, this single formula can describe 2 completely different compounds, butane and isobutane. Both have the same atoms, but they're arranged differently, making them distinct molecules with different properties. Isomers are classified into 2 main types. The first type is structural isomers, where atoms have different connectivity. This means the atoms are bonded together in different sequences or patterns. The second type is stereoisomers, where atoms have the same connectivity but different spatial arrangements. In stereoisomers, the atoms are connected in the same order, but they're oriented differently in 3-dimensional space. Let's dive deeper into structural isomers. There are 3 main categories. First, chain isomers have different carbon skeleton arrangements, meaning the carbon atoms form different shapes or chains. Second, position isomers have functional groups located at different positions on the molecule. Third, functional isomers contain entirely different functional groups, which are the reactive parts of molecules that determine their chemical behavior. Now let's explore stereoisomers. These are divided into 2 main categories. First, geometric isomers have different arrangements around double bonds or rings. Because double bonds restrict rotation, atoms or groups can be positioned on the same side or opposite sides, creating different isomers. Second, optical isomers are mirror image molecules called enantiomers. These molecules are like your left and right hands. They're mirror images but cannot be superimposed on each other. Understanding why isomers matter is crucial. First, isomers have different properties. Despite having identical molecular formulas, isomers display distinct physical and chemical properties such as different melting points, boiling points, and reactivities. Second, isomers have biological importance. In drug design and biochemistry, different isomers of the same molecule can have vastly different effects on living organisms. One isomer might be therapeutic, while another could be harmful. Here's the key takeaway from this lesson. Understanding isomers is essential for predicting molecular behavior and explaining why compounds with identical formulas can have completely different properties. This concept helps us understand the complexity of chemistry and why molecular structure is just as important as molecular composition. Mastering isomers will help you understand everything from drug interactions to the properties of materials around you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.